How to handle water shortages in the face of climate change. Water is becoming increasingly scarce, and climate change is worsening the issue for a number of people who rely on it for a living, as farmers and fishermen. Alongside, ecosystems and societies are impacted by droughts, pollution, water mismanagement, and conflicts. There is a need to agree upon and implement a new type of adaptation policies, which can enduringly be transformational for the society, its economy, and its environment in the areas concerned. Helping to deal with water scarcity and the uncertainty of water flows. With over 50 researchers from 15 universities and institutions in Europe, America, and Asia, TRANSCEND works with the river basin authorities to develop through TAP better water management policies adapted to climate change. This large group of scientific experts, which includes hydrologists, climate modelers, agronomists, macro and microeconomists, legalists, and communicators, have selected 7 river basins as living labs, representative of a number of different water problems and issues. In each of these river basins, the group of researchers have brought together all the relevant stakeholders, such as farmers, water managers, and water authorities, to be involved in an iterative process of teaching and learning, known as co-creation. Within this large co-creation network, researchers and water users have had repeated interactions since 2023 in dedicated knowledge-sharing spaces, thanks to a number of different live and online regular workshops devoted to stakeholders' feedbacks and training activities, and will continue in an iterative co-creation process through 2026 with a set of new initiatives. By the end of 2026, this set of ongoing activities will ultimately result in sound networks of knowledge, with the participation of all stakeholders and scientists, modelling suites integrating socio-ecological science and multi-system ensembles, a set of monitoring tools for accounting, monitoring, and implementing the transformational adaptation policies. This will provide the knowledge and tools to catalyse robust and systemic transformations in the living labs, with a clear impact pathway towards TAP adoption in more than 100 river basins by 2030.